Hello. Today I'd like to talk about how to get the most out of your homework assignments in Webassign. I'm going to pull up a class right now, but it's not your class, it's just a demo class. But it'll allow me to explain everything I need to. So each section is broken into three pieces. You're going to see the pre-elect, which is basically the review material to make sure that you're ready for the homework, the actual homework assignment that is graded, and then the quiz, which is part of your quiz grade. Now, notice this particular homework assignment says it's due on the 21st. However, if you would like the most amount of help from me to be successful, you probably should do this homework on the 2 days early, which would be the 19th. Let me explain why. So if you're working in the homework and you're going along on the 19th and you're going through this and all of a sudden you run into some questions. Well, there's this link right here that says Ask My Teacher. Click it. Give me your explanation to me and send it and just type in what you need. Doesn't matter. Best explanation you give me and click send. I will get that as an email from you. And if you're working late at night on the 19th, I'll get it on the 20th when I check my email. And when I check my email, I'll work it out for you. Now, it'll happen in one of two ways. A lot of questions are pretty straightforward, and all I do is work them out on my tablet computer, showing you all my steps, step by step, make a PDF file, and email it to you. Most of the times, that's what you will receive from me. Other times, however, if something might be a little bit more complicated, and I'll make a video. So if I make a video, and I'm going to give you an example of a video, I'll make it, and then I will email that to you. Okay, I'm not going to play the whole video, but you get the idea. It's sort of like me working it out with you one-on-one and sending it, and you can play it whenever you get it. So, again, I'm doing this on the 20th. Your assignment's not due until the 21st. It gives you plenty of time to look at what I've sent you and figure it out, and hopefully everything's making sense at that point. Oops, sorry. Now, close that. Third option, you're still having difficulty with something or it's just a little bit more complicated than what you're used to. We can Skype. Actually, hang on one second. Make that small. I'm sorry, not Skype. I am now using Zoom. This is a free video conferencing software that you can get, and you will be able to dial me directly and just call me on this. You'll see a little green light on for me. You can go into the chat section and find me there. We'll talk a little bit more about this later. And we can have a video conference on anything that you're having difficulty with. But again, after the due date, you start to lose points. I'm still willing to work with you. I'm still willing to answer your questions. I'm still willing to Zoom video conference with you. But if we don't get this taken care of before the due date, you're going to lose points. And not only that, you're going to have more stuff building up. And if you get behind in this class, it can snowball very, very quickly. So you want to avoid that at all costs. And I want to help you avoid that at all costs. So hopefully if you take my advice, you'll get the most out of your homework and the most out of this course. And please let me know if you have any questions about this.